Hey there, people. Thought I would give you a short demo on the Smithin' Magician. Now, I don't know if any of you have ever heard of such a thing, but it is a guillotine tool. It's a big lump of metal, takes dies. I've got a few different dies, but I can't seem to find most of them right now. But the one that I could find is the one that was in it, and that's the important one, which is a tenoning die. So what it does is, let me find some soapstone here and I can explain it a little bit better. I just saw a piece, there it is. So let's say you're building a traditional wrought iron gate with traditional joining methods. Probably the most common one is the mortise and tenon. So I'll have a square bar, but I want it to go into a hole that I can rivet it. So if I have like a flat bar with a hole in it, I want this to go in so far to a shoulder and then rivet the top over, and that kind of keeps it all held together. So there's a lot of different ways you can put the tenon on a baluster, or what the hell you call it. Just a bar at this point, I guess. But so you would forge this down till it ended up looking like this. So this could either be round or square. This could be either round or square. But the hole needs to match this. So if this is round, the hole will be round. If this is square, this would be square, a square hole. The reasoning behind a square hole, if you're wondering, is that if this was something that had some more ornamental stuff, like just say this bar was bent into an odd shape or what have you, to take away any ability to torsion the bar later on once it's built, if you put it in a square hole, it can't twist in a square hole as easily as it can spin in a round hole. So if you got somebody banging on it or kicking on it, they could spin your work around and mess it all up. You have a bottom die and a top die for the Smithin' Magician, and it's a fairly beefy unit so that it doesn't move around too much. You can clamp it down or just use it like this if you got a big fat table like I got. And basically that drops in there. You got that bottom die, and this die has two different sizes. One's 1/2 inch and one's 3/8. So it just depends on the bars you're using, what you want to do. That just drops in there, and you just fit the hot bar inside the hole and then bang the top while you spin the bar around, and it puts a perfect shoulder, perfect tenon on it. And it's pretty easy. So I'll just demo it there now, and you'll see how it works. There you go. Perfect 1/2 inch tenon. That quick. There you go. Ain't pretty, but I don't do these every day, so, but that's the general idea of how you do it.